Okay, in this problem we're asked to find the limit as x approaches negative 2 of 2x minus 4 squared minus 64 over x plus 2. So the first thing you should probably try is to plug in a negative 2 and just see what you get. But you can see if you plug in a negative 2 here in the denominator, you're going to get a 0 on bottom. And that's probably true of the top as well. It's probably going to be 0 over 0. So if we just plug in, let's go ahead and do that. So we would get 2 times negative 2 minus 4 squared minus 64 over negative 2 plus 2. Okay, so this looks like we get, that's going to be negative 4, another negative 4. That's negative 8 squared is 64. So you get 64 minus 64 over negative 2 plus 2, which is 0 over 0. Okay, so that didn't work. 0 over 0 doesn't help us at all. So what we're going to need to do is try to reduce this to see if anything can reduce. To do that, we need to first expand the numerator and then see what happens. Maybe we can factor. So let's rewrite this. And we'll expand this out. So that will be 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times negative 4 is negative 8x, and then do it again, that's another negative 8x, so that middle term will be negative 16x, and then negative 4 times negative 4 is plus 16, minus 64 all over x plus 2. Okay, let's clean that up. This 16 and the negative 64 become negative 48, so this will be equal to 4x squared minus 16x minus 48 over x plus 2. Should go ahead and write that limit here. Don't want to be lazy. So let's factor out a 4. Looks like we can factor out a 4 here. So the limit as x approaches negative 2 of 4 that's been factored out. That'll give us x squared minus 4x minus 12 all over x plus 2. Okay, so this looks like it may be factorable. So think of two things that multiply to get negative 12 that add to get negative 2 or negative 4. That would be, let's see, negative 6 and 2. So limit as x approaches negative 2 of 4 times x minus 6 and x plus 2 over x plus 2. Okay, so we've got what we call a removable discontinuity here. So there would be a hole in the graph, but we can remove that out, and that will give us the limit as x approaches negative 2 of 4 times x minus 6. And now we should be able to plug it in and not get 0 over 0. So that will give us 4 times negative 2 minus 6, and that's equal to 4 times negative 8. It's equal to negative 32. So our limit is negative 32.